Nagamis pra moike question kuribi. Hello everyone, I hope you all are keeping fine. So today on this video we are going to make Q&A videos. So you are free to ask any question in this video. It's very much happy to announce that I will be uploading the videos continuously because I have finished my exam. So from today onward, I will surely upload 2 or 3 videos in a week. So, thank you so much for showing an immense love and support. So today on this video we are going to make for my supporter, that is Q&A video. So you're free to ask any kind of question in the comment section, and then if you're willing, you can send me through short video clips. I am very much lucky that you all are always with me. Video ka nang nako at sunay rakani may blend nang nga magzen lo igom za migese ne le bile mata kamna megale nang ne ne ba zai nang ago comment section ka te makane do nang na video nang makeup lo za video kap te na te in lo za kabra si te lo za hang lang do bile free la le nang ne ne ko sen ka kam kai bile se ba hai na subscriber chang de bam le na ago support za na subscribe te le ba si rang nang ne ngai mak za ne we lo se ba ngi chu kya ma la moi pa pi lo za sa ra de le hung ko de le kan ne ngam se lo igom ngam mak sa li lo na sa sa ne ni ge se ma ko harwa ga sab so nai mo ba pi lo sa ba sai ta tu le confident mam lo ma dung tu kya ra ko ga chi ga also staying in Kasar. I too can speak Bengali nani Bengali buji to ami Bengali kaya ami jawab di mo question dia bala tani moris loi muni kita Nagamis pra moike question kuribi aro moi Nagaland Nagamis pra jawab dibo so try to ask in Nagamis too, and then so here is the Instagram links, and the next one is the Facebook link, and then you can inbox me through it so that I will send you the WhatsApp number. Here is a sample or demo for people who does not know how to comment in the comment section. So you can just scroll down below the videos and you will find the comment section, add a public comment so that you can type it here. So I'll show you how to type who is your favorite YouTuber. Yes, like this and press this arrow and then yes. And then if you are newly visited to our channel, please do subscribe and be a part of our channel, and on the notification bell so that you'll find the latest video of our channel. Thank you so much.